Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brendan and welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you guys are having a great day wherever you guys are from. And today I'm going to be explaining how Ethereum could easily be worth $10,000. Now, some huge news has come out recently, the biggest of which is that Visa is now settling payments on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, if you guys don't know how big Visa is, I'm going to talk about just how much money they transact on a yearly basis and how they have over 3.3 billion cards out and around the world. So we're going to be breaking this down. If this sounds important or interesting at all, make sure you guys stick around for the entire length of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. But that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this one. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Visa, you've probably been living under a rock. But all jokes aside, Visa is one of the largest credit and money transfer companies in the world. And just to kind of prove this, I want to show you guys a quick little fact sheet breakdown of everything that I guess Visa is known for. Again, over 3.3 billion cards worldwide, over 65,000 transaction messages per second, and over $11 trillion in volume annually. On top of this, they offer 160 different currencies. They have almost 16,000 different institutions and over 46 million merchant locations, which is astounding. So now that we know, really, I guess, and now that Visa is publicly operating and transacting and settling payments on the Ethereum blockchain in USDC, what does this mean for the future of Ethereum and maybe even just ERC20 tokens in their entirety? Now over here, I'm going to kind of be skimming through this as we are going through this so that you guys can have a chance to read this. And again, all of these articles will be linked in the description down below for you guys to check out on your own. But again, with Visa now settling payments on this USDC stablecoin, which is on the Ethereum blockchain, otherwise known as the ERC20, Visa is initially working with Crypto.com for their new service. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Crypto.com, I've mentioned them a couple times on this channel. They're actually my favorite place to buy and sell and transact cryptocurrency. Again, they do it for no fees, and they make up for that in like little other ways. But for the most part, they're a really great product. They offer staking and a lot of cryptocurrencies for a pretty standard and reasonable margin. But again, that's all beside the point. But their company hopes to launch the USDC settlement capability for other partners as well in the year ahead. So lots of stuff to come for this ERC20 blockchain. Lots of stuff to come for not only Visa and the ERC20 blockchain, and but also for Crypto.com. So if you guys aren't familiar with Crypto.com, they have a cryptocurrency called Crow, which is kind of like the Binance equivalent, except for the Crypto.com exchange. Next, we have kind of the same little thing of Visa is doing the exact same thing, but from a different article's perspective. This one being from Entrepreneur and the previous one being from The Block at Crypto. And this third one talks about this all in a little bit more depth of Visa really completing their first cryptocurrency transaction through Ethereum. Now, I know I'm kind of beating a dead horse here, but this is it's huge. Needless to say, I don't think that you can beat something this bad, because this is the kind of adoption that cryptocurrency has been longing to see. This is the stuff that we said when institutional money comes in and when all this other stuff happens, this will be so big for cryptocurrency. Now that it's finally happening, I'm sure, as you guys can tell, I am just a tad bit excited to see this. Now, as all this has started happening, obviously we saw the massive pump in the cryptocurrency space with Ethereum and Bitcoin moving drastically to the upside from their bottom of around $50,000 all the way up to around $58,000 for Bitcoin, and Ethereum seeing a similar price run as well. Couple of the key notes from here is this USD coin is called a stable coin, meaning that it is pegged to the US dollar. This cryptocurrency that they are testing a lot of this stuff around is going to be pegged to the US dollar. So this cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain, I guess its main goal is going to be used for transaction purposes, but also it's always going to be worth $1 US, or at least that's the goal of it. It's not going to be one of these it's not going to be an extremely volatile crypto that's going to be fluctuating 10, 20, 30%. Not even, it'll probably fluctuate, if it's volatile, 1% at a time, where for the most part, again, it should be hovering around that $1 USD or 100 US dollar cents. But that is going to go ahead and round us up. I did want to kind of just leave this down here and leave this in the background so that you guys could read this while I just shared my pure thoughts on this. I want to leave this up as I am closing out because there's a lot of cool facts on this for you guys to check out. If you guys did enjoy a video like this one, let me know in the comment section down below. I haven't posted as many videos like this. I think I've done a lot of technical analysis, but I want to expand outside of the world of just technical analysis and talk about the massive stuff that is happening in the background of not only cryptocurrency, but the financial world as we know it. So I know that we were making the case for a $10,000 Ethereum. If a fraction of this money, again, $110 trillion in volume, and I know that volume doesn't always correlate to price action, but if a fraction of the money of what people are using this stuff for gets reinvested back into the blockchain that they are transacting all this on, it would do wonders. If 1% of that money was to go into this and you had, like, I don't know what that'd be, like 10 billion. I'm really bad at math, so don't take my word, but 1% of 11 trillion, it still do wonders for the world of cryptocurrency. Even if 10% of that, I mean, it would do even more. So I'm very excited to see what this does for the world of cryptocurrency moving forward. Visa, Ethereum, and Crypto.com doing massive moves in the world of the financial blockchain and cryptocurrency landscape. And it's going to be pretty cool to see this. So once again, guys, if you guys did enjoy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content like this one. But until next time, I will see all of you guys very, very soon.